Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the AirPods second generation, AirPods Pro second generation, and to the left right here I have the third generation straight AirPods. Here I have the second generation AirPods Pro. So to begin with, let us start first of all by comparing the boxes. You can see that the box for the AirPod Pro is much thicker than for the AirPods third generation AirPods, and also on the front you have the pictures of the corresponding AirPod. Here it's embossed on both boxes. So again, here we have the AirPods Pro second generation, and here you have the third generation AirPods. Now we will proceed with the unboxing, and then we are going to talk about the differences between the third generation AirPods, which I have right here, and the second generation AirPods Pro. So to begin with, this is what the box looks like. You have these two green tabs here. Pull that out and also pull this out, and you can see right here it's written AirPods Pro second generation, so that way you know what exactly you have in your hands. Next we open up the box, and as you guys can see, you have the top part of the box, and here you have this sleeve that says designed by Apple in California. Pull out the sleeve. You have some quick start instructions. You have some further information, warranty information. I would suspect it's warranty information, and that is in different languages. So there you go. Put this away for the OCD people. Put everything back in place. Okay, put this to the side, and finally here you have the product itself. Here is the AirPod Pro second generation. Oh, there's something underneath. Oh, it comes with, oh, those are the earpiece, and then you have the charging cord right here. USB-C on one side and Apple's proprietary connector on the other side. So we leave that in there. That's a handful. The lightning cable here to USB-C, and then here you have the earpieces. Let's see how we can get these out. It's a puzzle. Can't figure it out. Am I supposed to just tear the whole thing? It feels like hard plastic. Oh. There, so you have the different sizes. You have large, small, extra small. They are very soft, so they should be comfortable on the ear. So we have that. I'll set it right there. You have the USB to lightning cable, and you have the AirPods themselves here, AirPods Pro. This feels really nice to the touch. The quality of the plastic, it's more reflective from what I can see compared to the third generation AirPods. Also in the back you have the button here to get started. On the bottom you have the lightning charging port right here. You have what seems to be like a microphone to listen, and then you have the speaker openings right here. So that's what it looks like. When you open it up, you already have the earpieces placed, and it's already searching. You can see the white light, and here you have the third generation straight up AirPods. So that's what everything looks like. Very first view. Sorry about this, guys. It's a bit magnetic, so when you put it in your pocket, it picks up every little piece of lint. That's why it looks gross, but that's what everything looks like. So to talk about the differences between the third generation and the second generation AirPods Pro, first of all, for the third generation AirPods, straight up AirPods, you have a semi in-ear design, so it doesn't really fit. It's a one size fits all. Let me pull one out so you guys can see what I mean. That's what it looks like. Whereas compared with this one, with the AirPods Pro second generation, it's an in-ear design with silicone ear tips that come in 4 sizes. You have one already mounted here, then you have the large, small, and extra small. So I would assume this is the medium, which they think would fit the vast majority of people. Okay, you have a vent system for pressure equalization on the Pro. Oh, one thing we missed, guys, check that out. They have a little deal there for attaching a lanyard. It looks really cool. This one doesn't have it. For these, the third generation AirPods, you will need to get an external case, which might have an attachment for a lanyard. Whereas the second generation AirPods Pro already comes provisioned with that. So you have a vent system for pressure equalization for the second generation AirPods Pro, and the third generation AirPods does not have that. You have force sensor controls on the third generation AirPods, and you have force sensors and touch controls for volume adjustment on the second generation AirPods Pro. Here you have an H1 chip for the third generation AirPods. Second generation AirPods Pro, you have an H2 chip. On the third generation AirPods, you have up to 5 hours of listening time with spatial audio enabled. And for the second generation AirPods Pro, you have 5.5 hours listening time with spatial audio enabled. Bluetooth here is 5.0 on the third generation AirPods, and the Bluetooth here on the second generation AirPods Pro is Bluetooth 5.3. Second generation also has active noise cancellation, which is absent. It's missing on the third generation AirPods Pro. Here you have transparency and adaptive transparency for the AirPods Pro second generation. And you also have conversation boost. Those features are missing on the third generation AirPods. Third generation AirPods will give you up to 4 hours of talk time with a single charge. And the second generation AirPods Pro has up to 4.5 hours of talk time with a single charge. If you spread out that you use both, you can have up to 24 hours of talk time using the MagSafe charging case. Whereas here you have up to 20 hours of talk time using the MagSafe charging case. So this second generation AirPods Pro has the MagSafe charging case. It comes built-in with a built-in speaker and a U1 chip for precision tracking and lanyard loop. So there's a chip, a U1 chip in this case. This lacks a chip. This case lacks a chip. So for charging options, there's third generation AirPods. You can charge using the MagSafe charger. But if you bring the Apple Watch charger, you can't charge the case with that. Whereas for the AirPods Pro, you can charge using the MagSafe, and I believe you can also charge using the watch charger. That's amazing. That's impressive. It actually has a sweet spot, and when you get to the sweet spot, it registers with a ring, and you can see. So it's just amazing what new capabilities they've built into the AirPods Pro case. So those are some of the major differences I just wanted to share with you guys concerning very wonderful pieces of tech. So I'll leave you guys at this point. Let me know what your thoughts are, and catch you guys on the next video. Bye now.